In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Facebook from Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. Instagram and Facebook gives you ability to log on both platforms without even knowing your password. And now let me show you how you can simply do that. So first, open up Instagram application and here first tap at your profile picture, then tap at three lines and hit on settings. There you can find account center. If you tap on it, here you can find profiles and you can go into profiles. And there, as you can see, I got my Facebook and my Instagram account, and they both are connected to one profile. So I can use login data for one profile to log into another. And now I can go back for a step and here tap at logging in with accounts. And here all I have to do is select this option, allow all accounts to log into each other. If you select this option, now you can hop out of Instagram and open up Facebook. And here it will order you to use your Instagram login data to log into your Facebook account if you are not currently logged in. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.